Navratri is one of India's most celebrated festivals observed with great enthusiasm across the country. But what makes Navratri so special? Let's explore the history, significance, and traditions of the festival of 9 nights. What is Navratri? Navratri is a Sanskrit word meaning 9 nights. Nav means 9, Ratri means night. It is a festival dedicated to the worship of the divine feminine, primarily goddess Durga. Over 9 nights and 10 days, people across India honor different aspects of the goddess through prayers, rituals, music, and dance. Types of Navratri. Although the most famous Navratri occurs in September-October, known as Sharad Navratri, there are 4 seasonal Navratris observed throughout the year. Sharad Navratri in autumn, Chaitra Navratri in spring, Magh Navratri in winter, and Ashadh Navratri in monsoon. The Sharad Navratri is the most widely celebrated and culminates with the Shehra or Vijayadashmi, marking the defeat of Ravan by Lord Ram. The significance of Navratri. The significance of Navratri varies across regions. In Gujarat, it's known for the energetic Garba and Dandiya dances. In West Bengal, Durga Puja is the main focus, celebrating the victory of goddess Durga over the buffalo demon Mahishasur. In southern India, the festival is marked by Golu, a display of dolls depicting scenes from mythology. The mythological story. The story behind Navratri centers on the epic battle between goddess Durga and the demon Mahishasur. After a fierce battle that lasted 9 days, Durga defeated Mahishasur on the 10th day, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. The 9 forms of Durga. Each day of Navratri is dedicated to a different form of Durga, representing different virtues like power, courage, and knowledge. These forms are worshipped sequentially over the 9 days. Shailputri, Brahmacharini, Chandraghanta, Kushmada, Skandmata, Katyayani, Kalratri, Mahagauri, and Siddhidatri are the 9 forms of Durga. Navratri colors and food. Each day of Navratri is associated with a specific color, and many people wear these colors as part of their celebration. Food also plays an important role during Navratri, with many people preparing special dishes for fasting like Kuttu ki puri, Sabudana khichdi, and various sweets. The festival concludes on the 10th day, known as Vijayadashmi or the Shehra, which marks the victory of good over evil. In many parts of India, effigies of Ravan are burned to celebrate Lord Ram's triumph over Ravan, another symbol of the victory of good over evil. Navratri is more than just a religious festival. It's a celebration of culture, tradition, and the eternal triumph of good over evil. Whether you observe it through prayer, dance, or community gatherings, Navratri is a reminder of the divine strength within all of us. Happy Navratri! Like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.